This year, however, weather forecasters believe a major climate pattern known as El Nino could help suppress storm activity in the Atlantic. NOAA says that even during quieter hurricane seasons, a single storm can cause catastrophic damage. The first names on the 2026 Atlantic list include Arthur, Bertha, Cristobal, and Dolly. The Atlantic hurricane season is officially underway, and while forecasters expect a quieter than usual year, experts are warning that it only takes one major storm to cause widespread destruction. The 2026 Atlantic hurricane season runs from June 1st to November 30th, with activity typically peaking in mid-September. These powerful storms may threaten the Caribbean, the Gulf Coast, and the eastern United States, regions that regularly face some of the world's costliest natural disasters. This year, however, weather forecasters believe a major climate pattern known as El Nino could help suppress storm activity in the Atlantic. The U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, says there is a 55% chance of a below normal hurricane season. A further 35% chance exists for near normal activity, while only a 10% chance is assigned to an above normal season. El Nino occurs when surface waters in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean become warmer than usual. That warming disturbs global weather patterns and typically creates stronger upper-level winds over the Atlantic, making it harder for tropical storms to form and intensify. But meteorologists caution against complacency. NOAA says that even during quieter hurricane seasons, a single storm can cause catastrophic damage. Hurricanes remain among the deadliest and most expensive natural disasters globally. In the United States alone, the hurricanes have caused more than 7,000 deaths and over $1.5 trillion in economic losses since 1980. Historic storms include Katrina, Maria, and Helene left lasting impacts on communities and economies across the region. While the names differ, hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons are essentially the same weather phenomenon. The distinction depends on where they form. Hurricanes occur in the Atlantic and northeastern Pacific. Typhoons develop in the northwestern Pacific, while cyclones form in the Indian Ocean and South Pacific. All are rotating storm systems with sustained winds exceeding 119 kilometers per hour. El Nino's influence extends far beyond the Atlantic. While it tends to reduce hurricane activity in the Atlantic basin, it can increase storm activity around Hawaii and shift cyclone and typhoon formation zones across the Pacific. In parts of Asia and South Pacific, storms may form further east than usual, affecting different communities and shipping routes. If typical storms form this season, they will be named using a pre-approved list maintained by the World Meteorological Organization. The first names on the 2026 Atlantic list include Arthur, Bertha, Cristobal, and Dolly. Storm names rotate every 6 years unless a storm is so deadly or destructive that its name is permanently retired. For now, forecasters say conditions point to a relatively calm season. But emergency planners are reminding residents across hurricane-prone regions that preparation remains essential, because one powerful storm is all it takes to turn a quiet season into a dangerous one.